Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla and today we'll start question number 3 of exercise 3.2 of chapter 3 data handling of class 7. So here in question number 3, the weights in kg of 15 students of a class are, the weight is given to you of 15 students. So see, it is 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38 and 47. You can see in this observation 38 and 43 that these two numbers are repeating, है ना? So what is saying here, see again here, what is saying here, find the mode and the median of this data. The first one part we have to find out the mode and median. Then second part we have to find out is there more than one mode, that we will check here. So let's start now. So what is the first step here, that to find out the median or mode, we will always arrange this data into ascending order. Just make a rule here, it's a compulsory to arrange. Fine. So after arranging it, what we will do here, now you can see I have arranged that 32, then 35, 36, 37, 38. How many times is there? You can 1, 2, 3, 38 3 times, then 40 is there, then see 42, 43, then I have counted and I have written all these numbers here. Then what we will do here, see in asking there, find the mode. To find out the mode, what we will check that which one term is occurring most of the time. Fine. So you can see here, this one 30 term is 38 is here 3 times. This one 43 is also 3 times. Other numbers are single time, है ना? So what we will do here, you can see these two numbers are there and they are repeating, but they are occurring 3 times. Both are of the same time. So what we will do here, that means the mode is here. Now there are two modes, that is 38 and 43. The reason, mode is the observation occurs the highest number of times, and you can know, and you know that 43 and 38 both are occurring equal number of times, 3 times. So that is your mode is 38 and 43. Then next, see here in median. Again, what is the median here? In median, what we'll do here, you can see the total number of students are 15. 15 mean to say here, we will take here, it is as 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1 mean to say here, 14's half is here 7. So 7 plus 1, 8. So what we'll do, we will take 8th observation directly now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then what is 8 here? 40 is here. So that means your median is the middle observation, and that is 40. So now what is saying here? What is asking? Is there more than one mode? Yes, there is one mode we have counted, and there is two modes already there. So yes, there are two modes. So in this way you can simplify this question number 3. So now here the question number 9. See question number 4 here. Find the mode and the median of the data 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13 and 14. This one is given to you. You have to find out the mode and median here. So what is asking here? So what we'll do here, first we will arrange the data in ascending order first. So arrange it. We'll start from the least number here. The least data is here 12. So write here 12 is 2 times. Write here 12 2 times. There 13 1 2. 13 is 2 times. Then after that 14 1 2 3. 14 is 3 times. Then after that we are having 16. Then 19 right here. Fine. This is the arrangement of the data in ascending order. Now we have to find out the mode here. So mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. So what we'll do here? No, now you can see which one number is repeating the highest number of time. This is 14. So mode is your 14. So then is median. We have to find out how to find the median. Median is the middle value. You can see the total number of terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means 8 plus 1. So means 4 will be here and 4 will be here. The middle term is 14. So that means your median is here 14, the middle observation. So in this way you can find out the mode and median of this question number 4. So next move to the question number 5. So what they are asking here, tell whether the statement is true or false. This we have to find out. So see in question number 5, the mode is always one of the number in the data. As we know that already when we are deciding, we are selecting mode from the terms only which are inside in the data. So yes, it is true. Yes, the mode is always one of the numbers in the data. It is true here. Then see next in second part, the mean is one of the numbers in the data. That is false, because what is mean here? How to find out the mean? When you are going to find out the mean, we are getting answer even in fraction also, and you can see here the numbers are always in simple numbers. Fine. So we can't say that it is the term which is inside that one, the data, given data. So it is false here. The mean is one of the number of in a data. That is false. Then see next one, what they are asking here, The median is always one of the number in a data. So what is saying here? Median is always there in the numbers. So it is also true, because what is median? Median is a term which is in between in this data here. Fine. So it is true here that the median is always one of the number in the data. Fine. So what will do here? The data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has the mean as 9. So why can you say it is true or false? So we can't guess that 9 is mean here. So what we'll do? Again, what we'll do? We will add all the terms, then divide by the number of terms. That time we come to know, and that doesn't mean that it will be 9 here. It will be in fraction. It can be in decimal. So it is false here. So in this way you can simplify the question number 5 of this exercise.